Today we've been learning all about clouds and from our book from Eric Carle called Little Clouds. So today we're going to do a science experiment. We're going to try to create a cloud using ice, hot water, and a match and a jar. Now this is, if you want to do this at home, you need to have a mommy or a daddy to do it for you because we never use matches without an adult or hot water. So let's start. I poured hot water into my jar, and now I'm going to pour some ice into the cover of my jar. All right, I'm going to light a match very carefully and responsibly. And I'm going to drop it into the hot water. So it puts it out right away. Then I'm going to put the ice on top, and then I'm going to lift it up in a minute. Should we count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you ready? Did you see that cloud? That is very cool. Should we try it one more time? All right. We're going to light the match, which goes out very quickly in the water because water puts out fire. We're going to drop it into the hot water. It goes out. We're going to cover it with the ice, the cap with the ice. Let's count to 5 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look at our cloud. That's pretty cool. Do you think it is a real cloud, or do you think it's being created by steam? Hot water and our ice is creating steam. I'm